Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and may peace be upon us all. Honorable Mrs. Kurnia Wismadinti, SSC and Biotech, lecturer of the Medical English course, and my fellow students, whom I give the respect. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Edna Fatma Amalia, study number 035. Today I will present my research proposal seminar and file comparison of E. coli and coliform bacteria identification in head and unhead eye solved by Strickland. This research is motivated by H is a commonly used additive in beverage, especially the salt by street vendor. However, the production and storage process of ice often do not meet proper sanitation standards. The image of ice in plastic bottle represents the typical form of ice sold in public, which might appear clean visually but is not necessarily microbiological safe. According to the Indonesian Ministry of Health, as intended for consumption must be free from E. coli as an indicator of fecal contamination. The microscopic image of E. coli shows the structure of bacteria commonly found in contaminated drinking water or ice. Consumption of the containing E. coli can cause gastric disorders such as diarrhea, as observed by the image of an individual experiencing such pain. The World Health Organization reports that food and beverage contaminated with bacteria are a leading cause of diarrhea, especially in children in developing countries. The microbiological data graph displays show that the contamination level of coliform and E. coli in eye sample remain high in several regions. Therefore, health treatment in East Coast considered a potential method to reduce bacterial content in ice. Hadi et al. Found that heating to 1000 degrees Celsius effectively reduces coliform and E. coli population. This study aimed to compare the presence of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead eyes to evaluate the safety of ice sold for public consumption. Formula problem 1. What are the characteristics of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube on ice cellar? 2. Is there a difference in the identification of E. coli and coliform bacteria on head and unhead ice cube on ice cellars? 3. Is there contamination of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube on ice cellars? 4. What is the amount of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube in a cellar? General purpose. The general purpose of this study is to find out the comparison of the identification of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube in ice cellars. Special purpose. 1. Identify the characteristic of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube on ice cellar. Knowing the difference in the identification of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube in a cellar. 3. Knowing the contamination of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube on ice cellars. 4. Knowing the number of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube in a cellar. Research benefit. Theoretical benefit. This study is expected to provide new insight regarding the contamination of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube. Practical benefit. This research is expected to provide new information and knowledge, especially for producer and consumer, regarding the contamination of E. coli and coliform bacteria in head and unhead ice cube and as an effort to prevent disease caused by E. coli and coliform bacteria around Muhammadiyah Purwokerto University. Library Review. Ice cube. According to Sukawati, ice cube are one of the food products made from wet water that goes through the freezing process. E. coli and coliform bacteria. Coliform bacteria is one of the pathogenic bacteria, so its presence is commonly found in water. The presence of bacteria determine whether the water or sample is contaminated by pathogenic bacteria or not. Yerhe disease. Yerhe is a condition wherein a person defecated more than 3 times with a liquid or soft consistency. MPN. MPN is a method of cell calculation, especially for the calculation of coliform bacteria based on the nearest approximate number, namely the calculation in a certain range by referring to the MPN table. Next, research method. Research type and design is analytical observation. Next, place and time of research. Integrate laboratory for medium manufacturing and chemical laboratory for water testing. June, August to next, research variable. Free variable head and unhead SQ. Bound variable E. coli and coliform bacteria. Population and sample. Population isolates around Muhammadiyah Purwokerto University as many as 20 total sample. Sample 10 sample of unhead ice cube and 10 sample of hard ice cube. Tools and materials. Hypothesis. It was found that coliform and E. coli were found more bacteria in hard ice cube than those that were not hard. No coliform was found and E. coli was found more bacteria in hard ice cube than unhard ones. Next, previous research. Next, research work procedure. 1. Preparation stage. 2. Research stage. Next, sampling, media creation, sterilization of tools, bacteria identification. Next, research card flow. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.